How you doing there, everybody? It's John here again, and I am on the South Island in downtown Duncan. Duncan, British Columbia. I just popped out to Red Arrow Brewing and got myself a little bit of beer, and now we're just going to take a little tour around here. If you're wondering, and you're in the area, definitely pop by Red Arrow Brewing. They have some of the best beer you're going to find anywhere on the planet. It is terrific, and they're really nice people. They got a tasting room, a place to get stuff to eat. Sometimes they have concerts and everything. Worth a look. But let's go and take a look at Duncan. All right, well, here we are in downtown Duncan. I'm just back from the government offices. I wanted to take a picture of some of these totem poles they got kicking around. Duncan is very well known as the totem capital of the island. There's all sorts of information on the different totem poles all put out here. Really beautiful work. You see there's poles everywhere. I'll just take a little walk along here, because there's a giant one in front of the government building. Look at the size of that. This would have been a very old tree. That is one impressive totem pole right there. Cool looking building too. We're following the magic footprints. It's another really nice looking pole. So as we cruise around here, lots of beautiful poles. Holy cow. It's been a long time since I was in Duncan. Oh, look. And they got bingo. Super cool. Eagle, raven, and bear, in case you're wondering. Ooh, check out the old car in there, eh? Wow. Are you gonna stop? Okay. Just cruising across the street here. There's a good one. Look at that. Wow. Ooh-wee. More beautiful poles. Holy cow. Lots of cool little shops to check out. Lots of galleries too. Look at that. Jeez. Shades of Remington. Look at that, eh? Wow. Oh, the owl spirit. Wow, look at that. That's really cool. Like I say, they're just everywhere. They got lots of them. Lots of antique places. You can go and take a look. If you need an old piano, there you go. See, wow, lots to see, eh? Look at that. Nice little downtown core.
Okay. Well, you'll have to show us your stuff. What have you got?
Station Salvage. This is a cool place, eh? Look at that. Crafters Lounge. Another terrific art community. Lots of First Nation inspired stuff. Gotta love it, man. Holy. Now we're just heading over by the Cowichan Valley Museum. And the old train station. Really cool place to have a walk and look. Lots to see here in Duncan. Lots of good food as well. Like I said, Red Arrow Brewing. Can't lose there, man. Really good beer. Geez, look at that. An old CNR. Canadian National Railroad, if you don't know what that is. That's an old caboose. I used to work on the railroads for a little bit for Via Rail. Always a little sentimental about trains, you know. Look at that, beautiful gardens. All right, look at this. Look at that one. Holy cow, that's a tall totem. Lots of work went into that baby. Holy cats. This is a centennial pole. Orca, eagle, raven. Oh yeah, man, lots of beautiful carving on that. Holy. There again, the old rail lines. All right, well, if you notice these yellow footprints along the road, these are the Totem tour. So if you want to walk around and see where all the totems are, you just look for these yellow footprints and they'll take you to sites like this. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty cool.
That's a great one, eh?
That, there's the old city hall. It's been so long since I was around Duncan, I don't even really know what restaurants to recommend to you, but there sure are a lot. We were down in Maple Bay at a pub. It was really good. Elks Lodge. Oh, there's another good one. Wow. Really a unique spot. There's lots of vineyards and things to see and do around here. It's also famous for what we used to call the Cowichan Valley sweater. Cowichan Valley sweaters are First Nation design and beautifully knit. The only thing about them is you pretty much have to be in the Arctic Circle to wear one because they're incredibly warm. The people who make those are not messing around, and they certainly don't skimp on any kind of quality because holy cow are they warm. Corner House Cafe, that's a neat little spot. Look at that. And there's another good one. Yeah, sure is lots to see. Holy cow. That's a neat mural, eh? I love that octopus. Check that out. That is really cool. More beautiful totem poles. Look at that. Jeez. Super good. Well, there you go. That's a little walk around Duncan. Show off some of the poles, some of the artwork, a few of the little stores to check out. Lots of good things to see here in Duncan. Great place to spend a couple of days. good place for food, lots of things to see, lots of tours and adventures. Well, thanks for coming by. I hope to see you again real soon.